prize for the motorbike and trike today of 2025. We have a 2025 Volkspeed scooter, and the owner is Jordan. So was it a modified VW Beetle? Oh, I come on the back of a VW Beetle. So Jordan, you want to come up and grab a prize for the best motorbike or trike today? USA vehicle today is Stephen. He has a 1956 Lincoln Capri. Oh. Right, he's coming up. Right, as Stephen comes up, the prize for the postmodern USA vehicle today is Thomas in a 1996 Dodge Ram. Apparently it's a special edition 500. But, right, okay. While Thomas is coming up for that, we've got old mate here from one agency. So they've been the sponsor, as I said, for the whole motor fest. But we've got the sponsor's choice, and we don't have a name for this, but it's a 2000 Toyota J2X100 Mark II. Registration number is DVSMK2. So it's a Toyota J200. Might have made you walk all that way for nothing. No takers, going once, going twice. We haven't got a name. 2000 Toyota J2X100. No? No, well, sorry, made you walk all that way for nothing at the moment. But Murphy's Law, as soon as you walk away, they'll turn up. Yeah. Right, so it's American Modern. Is Thomas around? No? Hey? Where's Thomas? Someone's yelling. Right, so, well... No. Oh, here he is. Go on, chop, chop, run, faster, faster. Run, Forrest, run! While he's busy running up to the stage, the next category is European Classic. And it was a 1964 Revolta owned by... I'm trying to... someone's handwriting. K. Giles Payne and Michael Prentice. So 1964 ISO Revolta. Oh, hey, stop! Come back! No, it's too late. Sorry, I'm taking it home with me. Hey? Right, so where do we get to? Modern. Right, so for the European modern motor vehicle today, the winner is a 2015 Audi RS6 owned by a G. McLeod, is it? Owner for that one, here he is. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the category of vintage and veteran today is a 1928 Ford Model A, Erwin Fail. For the category of the best classic Japanese vehicle today There's a 1980 Datsun Sunny, owned by Jesse. And there's a balance of modified as well as being very tidy for a track vehicle. Oh, I'm thinking tracks as an army race tracks with that. But no, it must be a racing car with it. For the modern Japanese vehicle, today's winner is a 1993 Toyota Hilux. So 1993 will almost be in the day of before plastic, isn't it? It's like not quite as good as the Barry Crump one, but it's a 1993 Toyota Hilux owned by Will, who's put a lot of attention to detail and a lot of there's a high level of modification throughout it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, for the category of British Classic, we haven't got a name for the owner, but it is a 1970 Ford Capri GXL model. Oh, here we go. It's easy. And the best British modern today, we don't have a name for that either, but it is a 2011 Jaguar FX. Right, ladies and gentlemen, for the best Australian classic today, it's a 1972 Holden GTS owned by Kerry. Take us? That's right, I'll take that one home as well if no one comes to claim it. For the Australian modern motor vehicle today, there's a 2002 Holden. Oh, crap.
Holden, no crap.
That's right, I wasn't very highly educated, and I'm not a Holden fan, so that's why I didn't know it was a Monaro. If it was a Ford, it'd be a different story. So the winner for the Australian modern is a 2002 Holden Monaro, Hamish Templeton. I think the only reason they're holding their value is because they stopped making them, isn't it? Or they've just rebadged them. Could be worse, we could be in America and it could be a Chevrolet. Right, ladies and gentlemen, for the best hot rod of the day, we have a 1964 Ford Coupe, Calvin Cormac. See, this fella knows his motor vehicles, doesn't he? So he just admitted silently not to meet Chev Pout. Right, ladies and gentlemen, for the best tractor for today, it's not mine because I left the V8 at home. It's a 1971 Massey Ferguson 165, which even for a Ford fan, I've got a few of them at home, the Masseys are still a good wee tractor, is Richard Wright with his 1971 Massey. Right, ladies and gentlemen, in the trucks category for today, there's a 1957 DeSoto, owned by John. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't even know they had a category for this, but it's for car and caravan, and the winner of that category goes to me, because there it is there. Doesn't it look pretty in the pink? No, this is for 1960 home-built Duncan Wilson caravan. Goes to James and Dale Munro. Coming over here with that brother. Right, so we'll just go through the last couple. Was who was the Australian Classic? I've got another piece of paper. Oh no, that's the original piece. No, yeah. Which was it? The Classic Australian was Kerry with a 1972 Holden GTS. Is that around? No. Yes. No. The other one was. No, the European Classic, that was the one that was going out the gate, wasn't it? Brought along a vehicle today and entered it and cleaned it up. But just thank you to everyone that come along and made today a good, successful day again. Yeah, we're going to do raffles next, but also just to the sponsors of today. One agency, real estate specialist, A&K Crane, Selwyn District Council, A&K Cranes. What's the other one I've missed? Rotary Club, Pub Charity.